Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, October 28th. The time is around 1:30 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the FTSE. This is the index from UK and it is a 60 minutes chart right here. Let's take a look with what we have. So we are labeling this rally now as an impulse. We have ended with 2, and then this peak is a with 3, and then you can see in the subdivision here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it's in progress doing a wave 4 to the downside to correct this rally in wave 3 right here. Okay, so the pullback should be in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing. And as long as we stay above 69.45, we should be looking for one more push higher to finish a 5 waves up. Now, if we zoom out, so let's put down here with 2 right here, and this is our wave 3 right here. So basically, what we are seeing is we should be looking for a wave 4 pullback now. And if this is the 2 and a 3, right, then you can kind of conclude, okay, this has to be a 1, right? And then so then we're talking about the beginning from September 20th, right? So that's the cycle we are talking about. From September 20 low, we are rallying as a 5 waves impulse, and now doing a wave 4. Now ideally in the wave 4 should be ideally reaching somewhere around 23.6, 38.2% retracement. That's usually the typical relationship for wave 4, right? It doesn't have to, but usually it reaches the area. It can be less, it can be more. Just from guideline perspective, it is higher probability wave 4 end somewhere between this area here. Now, so ideally we have some kind of a clear 3 swing or 7 swing from the peak. So in this case, ideally we got this kind of 3 swing in which it hits this area, and then this leg um, on that 3 swings pullback there, ideally this leg also equal to this leg, right? So that will be a very nice confluence between 100% extension area and the retracement area as well. Okay, then from there, as long as we stay above here, we could see for the upside. So generally speaking, wave 4 ideally should not break below 50%, because if it goes down below 50%, it gets too big to be wave 4. Now, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Now, FTSE, as you know, continue to basically make a new high. I mean, the high right here was basically the not the all-time high, but the high since we bottom on March 2020. So since we bottom there, which is the COVID-19, we continue to rally, continue to make a new high. Okay, not the all-time high, because the all-time high was in, was still in the in the years in the past. But anyhow, from March 2020, that is the high from March 2020 still. so so the rally there is an impulse, right, from the March 2020. And if you look at the latest breakout to the upside, now if it is an impulse, the idea is you shouldn't be ending an impulsive rally with a 3 waves. Now the question is, does it look like a 3 waves, or does it look like it is a completed 5 waves, right? Now if you look at this chart in the 4-hour, it does look as if it is still only a 3 waves. Now of course you can always force the count. Okay, you can call this 3 and 4 here, and then you call it completed 5. But overall, I would say I think it is better to label it still within a 3 waves rally for now. Okay, and therefore we might still be able to get another push higher, um, as long as the wave 4 here basically does not drop too much, for example below 50%, and all the things that we talked about earlier, right? Now what will be the alternate? Well, the alternate is always going to be, okay, we finish this entire thing, and then we can be correcting a larger degree, cycle from September 20, and we could be doing a bigger pullback like this. Instead of wave 4, it could be doing a bigger pullback before higher again, as long as we stay above September 20. So we got two major, sort of two main pivots, right? One is this one, which is the primary view. If this is still wave 4, then it will trade against this low here. Now the alternate, if this is already ending like this, then that means we have that means we are going to be correcting larger degree and trading against this September 20, right, instead of against October 6. So we got two important lows. One is in October 6 and the other one is September 20, right? If October 6 fail, then it's going to be trading against September 20, and then you call this completed and then doing a larger 3-year pullback. Okay, but anyhow, we do like more upside since it's still making a new high here as we speak. So as long for now, this is the primary view, looking for one more push higher to finish with 5 from September here from September 20, as long as we continue to stay above 69.45. All right, so that's the update for today, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.